Yeah, today we're going to review the Affver A4, the Wi-Fi GPS dash cam. Yeah, this is the Affver A4 dash cam, and it's recording right now. It looks better than it does, but this is it's sunny outside right now. There it goes. But yeah, it's pretty cool, and the neat thing about it is it has tells you the miles per hour that you're going, your coordinates and everything. So if you do get in some kind of accident, then it has all the info for you, and you can choose to like keep it on going on a loop. You know, always keep recording. Like I said, I think it's like 60 seconds, 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes. You know, and then after that you can just loop over. So that way you don't have to ever worry about changing your card out in it. Pretty handy. And then when we get home, I'll show you some of the footage from it. When you plug in the rear view camera on the outlet up there, then it automatically splits the screen, and the right side there shows you the rear view, and the left side shows you the front view. That's also pretty handy too. Hello, today we're going to be reviewing the Affver 2-channel front rear recording GPS Wi-Fi 4K dash cam, and it's a slick little unit. You can tell by the picture here. And what I really like about it is if you look down in the corner in the yellow letters, it gives you the date, the time, the exact coordinates of where you're at, plus has the miles per hour that you're going. That's really handy if you get into an accident and somebody tells something different. You have the proof right there. The good thing about it is you can put it on a loop and record like either 60 or up to 3 minutes, and then after that it'll loop over itself and start recording the old video over. That way you never have to change your card. So whenever you get into an accident or something, you just stop it from recording, and then you'll have all of the details right there, you know, on the disc. Very handy. Then it also has Wi-Fi, where you can transfer the information via Wi-Fi, or if you want to, you can just take the little card on the side of it out and then put it in a card reader, and you'll have it that way also. What's really handy about this is the mount. They give you a little plastic sheet to put up on the window after you clear a little space off. When you put it on there, I was wondering how you get it off. You know, is it going to come off easy? But guess what? You just push it up a little bit, and it releases, and it leaves the part of the mount up there on the window, so you can take it in, you know, for safety reasons, whatever. Well, that's pretty nice. Affver A4 4K Wi-Fi GPS dash cam. You need to really check it out. Very inexpensive, and you know, it's worth its weight in gold. You know, if you ever have to go to court over an accident.